Today's teacher in the classroom is this beautiful lady, Dr. Lorraine Day. Today we talked about releasing toxic behaviors and beliefs. A great class today. But Dr. Day, if anybody's going to tune in, because it's not going to be on Facebook or YouTube, if they tune into Odyssey and BitChute, what will they learn for today's class?
Well, they'll learn that the aggressive behaviors that people are exhibiting now, the bad behaviors and the bad beliefs, are all because they have grown very far from God. The only way for us to get rid of these beliefs is to turn to God. And he shows us about the fruits of the Spirit versus the works of the flesh. And human beings cannot they can direct us to where to go, but it's always got to be a point to God. And God is the only one who can change our heart. We've got to learn to turn to God. Nobody has to break down like a 2-year-old having a tantrum. Nobody has to have all these behaviors that people are exhibiting now. The reason they're exhibiting them is America and Americans have grown very far from God. So we can have peace in our life. That's what everybody wants, is peace in their life. But the only way you can get that is to turn to the Lord and live his way.
The Prince of Peace. And so for those of you who want to go, again, if you go to the description in this video, in the recap, you will see where you can click on it and go to Odyssey and BitChute to watch the entire video. And while you're at it, make sure you go to whenyouneedafriend.com. Please subscribe, like, and follow. Share this video with your friends. Let's get beyond the algorithms that are stopping this information from getting out by sharing, by tagging, by making sure that you leave a thumbs up, whatever it is that you can do to help us grow this message to the world that we are not alone. And as we said in the class today, sometimes things break down so that the only way out is up. You get cornered and the only way out is up. And so I hope that you will go to whenyouneedafriend.com if you want to check out the conversation, or you can go to BitChute and Odyssey. Again, the description is below. And please remember, we'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyouneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott and Dr. Lorraine Day wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever.